Let's do a quick unboxing of some of the great deals I got through Generations. You guys know that I love this company, and over the holidays, there were some scratch and dent deals. There was the Black Friday Cyber Monday deal. That is the best time to make purchases from Generations. Let's start with the scratch and dent deal. This book, I've talked about these a lot, the history books, Taking the Middle East for Jesus. Probably the #1 book I think all families should read that comes from Generations. I love it. This is actually the workbook that goes along with the Taking the Americas for Jesus. I don't remember actually seeing anything wrong with this book at all. Oh, maybe there's like a sticky spot there? I have no idea. But it was in the scratch and dent. Oh, actually this one was $5. I'm just gonna pop the number that I paid for them up on the screen because I know I'm gonna get some of them wrong. This was such a good deal. So just checking periodically on their scratch and dent is a really good way to find other things that you're really excited for. This is actually what I am planning on using this month in January for my family. We're going to be learning about the human body. God made me. This is a level 3, so kind of like that 3rd grade level, but we're gonna do it as a family. $10 for this book. It's incredible. This is so cool that I was able to get this one on discount that way. And actually, I'm going to be doing a giveaway with Generations. They're gonna be giving this book along with the workbook to one lucky winner over on Instagram. And then I'm actually going to be giving away other things in collaboration with other companies too. So make sure to head over there because that giveaway will be happening very early on in January and you won't want to miss the opportunity to win some of those things. I'll also be talking about our plans for what we'll be using. Look, I went ahead and got a second one too because it was such a good deal and I wanted to have it on hand for some friends. I'll be making another video about the things that we're gonna be using in January, so that'll be coming out probably next. Make sure you're subscribed so you see when it becomes available. This book does have some issues with it. It's got some bent, the back page is bent, and then some of these here are bent. Who cares? They're just gonna get bent at my house anyway. This was another steal of a deal. When I showed this one to you guys before in the kindergarten curriculum flip through video, that was actually my friend's order. So I don't have this one on hand. I love having these on hand to be able to show to friends, especially at the Minnesota Homeschool Mom Retreat that I host, so that they can always just flip through things and see what's available. Okay. I got Apostate. This is more for me, less for the kids at this point. The Men Who Destroyed the Christian West. This goes through a lot of like classical authors that a lot of curriculums or companies would recommend your children reading. But then if you like stop and kind of question what are they really teaching in some of those things, it's kind of eye-opening, or like who are we putting in front of our kids? So this is an adult read and it's for me to go through. I'm excited to do that. I actually got these books for my kids on Cyber Monday. They were supposed to go in their stockings and I forgot, but that's okay because they'll just get them another time. These are little comic books that go through the book of Proverbs, and there's different characters that represent different things, like the ant, a diligent worker, the grasshopper, lazy man, the goat, hardened fool. And so it teaches just like different proverbs, different wise sayings in a comic form, but that will help your kids to remember those things a little bit better. I'm really excited about these and I think my kids will enjoy them. I think I got them for like $7. I'll put it up here on the screen, but they really aren't very much. This was $1. $1. So when those Cyber Monday deals happen, if you're one of like the first ones to check out or until the deal is gone of their inventory, they often have like a free book or books for $1 or something like that. So I was able to snag Adventures of Missionary Heroism for $1. I also got the audio version of Sunshine Country. We love this book. I hadn't gotten it on audio yet because I read it aloud to my kids, but now we have it on audio so that my kids can listen to it again whenever they want. I love this book. Of the classic Christian books that Generations orders or offers, we have really, really loved this book. Okay, this one was also $1, $1, and it is the Taking Africa for Jesus. Now, they said that there's like 3 paragraphs missing in the whole book, and that's why this one was part of their like discount deal that they needed to offload. 3 paragraphs. I can handle missing 3 paragraphs if I can get a book for $1. Yes, please. So I definitely snagged that one up. Now I also got the workbook for the God Made Me lessons that we will be doing so that we can kind of just look through those. I don't always necessarily do the workbooks, but I like seeing what the ideas are. There's a lot of here. I'll let you see inside real quick too. Whoops. There's a lot of just kind of going back over what the words are, some matches. These have, yeah, just extra learning. Here you go. So there you're kind of going back through what are the different words and circling and finding them. This book is a lot more colorful. It looks like there's some games in it. For the younger ages, like the 1st, 2nd, 3rd grade, the books are a lot more colorful and big spaces. But like I said, we do it family style, so we'll divide that up in some way. I also got the God Made Animals. I already have the textbook, but I snagged the workbook for that, and you can already see how less colorful this one is. But I just find that they are good for reinforcing what you have learned. You can also get the audios of all of the science textbooks too, which we have and have been using with the God Made the World one. I'll have to do a video about what we did in the fall, so it'll be like a mid-year review video. We really liked the God Made the World book. My older son went through it a little bit more in depth with me. Real quick, before my camera battery dies, I also got these. These are like Proverbs, companion lesson guide for ages 9+, and then what does the Bible say about that? A biblical worldview curriculum. Now, I don't know a whole lot about these, but I know that there's like some challenging thoughts that they give, some Bible passages to read just on like, what do you really think about that situation? What would be the right action? What do you think the Bible means when it says this? So it gives some like deeper conversation. And then of course the Proverbs one, just kind of breaking things down a little slower and easier to go through. I don't know yet how we're going to be using these, but I know that they are something that I value teaching and going through with my kids. So I wanted to get these so I could start flipping through them to see how I want to use them in the future. All right, go ahead and check out this video next while you are waiting for me to release what we are going to be using in this upcoming spring or how our last year went. Make sure you're subscribed so you see when those come out, and I'll see you again soon, guys. Bye-bye.